Surface amplified Haiti earthquake. Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Strong earthquakes occur around the world every year. So why was this month so destructive? First, a large city, Port-au-Prince, is located near the center of the quake. Second, most buildings in Port-au-Prince are poorly built, and many crumbled when the quake shook them. Third, the city lies on soft ground, which intensified its shaking. Now, a team of U.S. geologists has discovered a fourth factor: the topography of the region. Topography is the shape, height, and depth of a land's surface. Physical features that make up the topography of an area include mountains, valleys, plains, and bodies of water. Only one seismometer existed in Haiti when the earthquake struck. A seismometer is an instrument that detects and records vibrations and movements in the ground. When the earthquake happened, it went dancing around on its little feet. It did make a record, but it wasn't very useful. One of the scientists, Susan Huff, told the New York Times. Huff works for the U.S. Geological Survey. After the quake, Huff installed more seismometers in the country. She placed two on a prominent ridge in the city and two in an adjoining valley. These four seismometers recorded the quake's aftershocks. Aftershocks are small tremors that occur hours, days, or weeks after an earthquake. Huff found that the tremors were more severe along the ridge than they were in the valley. Those findings suggest that the shock waves produced by the original earthquake bounced back and forth within the ridge, amplifying the amount of shaking there, she says. The ridge happened to be one of the few places in the city where the buildings were well constructed. Even those buildings could not withstand the quake's vibrations, intensified as they were by the ridge, says Huff. So now that we read this, you're going to scroll down to your note catcher. It's going to look like this. You're going to get one of these for the next couple of days. The only part that you're working on is this part, surface amplified Haiti earthquake, because that is the only article we have read so far. Tomorrow we'll read the next one, then the day after we'll read the next one, the day after we'll read the next one. So you're going to get this same paper 4 different times, and you just have to make sure that you only keep it to the passage that you just read. So if you look at the top, it reminds us what the passage that we just read. So just make sure that you match it up with the table and you use the article that we just read together.